Welcome back to AutoExpert, your go-to channel for the most in-depth and engaging car reviews on the web. Today, we're diving into the striking and sophisticated 2025 Volvo S60, a sedan that continues to evolve while staying true to its Scandinavian roots. In this video, we'll be exploring the exterior design, performance elements, history, and standout features of this modern masterpiece. So, buckle up as we break down everything you need to know about the new Volvo S60's exterior. Let's begin with the design. The 2025 Volvo S60 boasts an exterior that effortlessly blends elegance with athleticism. Its sleek, coupe-like silhouette is sharper than ever, with clean lines that emphasize a sense of motion even when standing still. Up front, the bold chrome-framed grille houses the iconic Volvo iron mark, flanked by the distinctive Thor's Hammer LED headlights. These headlamps now come with updated pixel technology for enhanced visibility and a more precise beam pattern. The front bumper has been subtly reshaped for 2025, giving the S60 a slightly more aggressive presence on the road. Gloss black accents and air inlets hint at its performance intentions, especially on the R-Design and Polestar engineered variants. Moving along the sides, the long hood, short overhangs, and strong shoulder lines create a profile that feels balanced and dynamic. New wheel designs ranging from 18 to 20 inches complement the S60's stance, with diamond-cut alloys adding a touch of modern flair. At the rear, the signature C-shaped LED taillights stretch across the trunk, giving the car a wide and planted look. The updated rear diffuser and integrated dual exhaust outlets underscore the S60's sporty demeanor without being overly flashy. A subtle lip spoiler on higher trims adds just the right touch of aerodynamic intent. Volvo's design language has always focused on simplicity, function, and refinement. With the 2025 S60, this philosophy continues but with a sharper, more assertive edge. The new exterior color palette includes striking options like Fjord Blue, Vapor Gray, and Onyx Black, allowing buyers to personalize their ride with style. Performance-wise, the exterior enhancements are more than just cosmetic. Aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to reduce drag and improve efficiency, especially important for the plug-in hybrid variants. The Polestar engineered trim stands out with gold brake calipers, a lower ride height, and performance-tuned suspension, all visually communicating its upgraded dynamics. Now, a quick look at the S60's lineage. The first-generation S60 debuted in 2000 as a stylish alternative to the German executive sedans. Over the years, it's evolved into a true competitor in its segment, with each generation bringing more refinement, safety, and innovation. The 2025 model is the most visually mature and performance-focused version yet, perfectly balancing luxury with driving enthusiasm. And finally, in terms of features, the 2025 S60 includes exterior highlights like a panoramic roof, LED fog lamps, auto-folding mirrors with puddle lights, and a hands-free power trunk. Each of these features is designed to enhance convenience and complement the car's premium feel. That wraps up our detailed look at the exterior of the 2025 Volvo S60. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into the hottest cars of the year. Thanks for watching AutoExpert, where precision meets passion, one car at a time.